6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast, and that fog faded away this afternoon and we had sunshine, but this morning it was pretty thick. Hard to see the Harbor Bridge and other sites around the city. We had very light winds, and so a calm bay. That's a beautiful picture right there. But again, the sun came out this afternoon, and that took the edge off of any depression we might have been feeling. The dense fog advisory is in effect for the coastal areas of the coastal bend, the coastal waters, I should say, and the offshore waters, but not inland as of yet. I don't think the fog will be quite as bad tonight as it was last night, but still going to be pretty bad. Right now, visibility is already down to a mile along the coast and 10 miles inland. That sea fog will slowly spread inland as we go through the night, and by the middle of the night, visibility is down to about 0 to 1 mile. And then notice this right here up to the north. This is going to be a recurring theme in the weather presentation. The visibility pops up right here at Beeville at 7 in the morning. That's because of a cold front that's going to come in from the north. Yesterday it was looking like it would stall just to our north around Goliad. Now it looks like it is going to come in. But ahead of it, yes, there's going to be more fog and mist here tonight. And then the weak front arrives tomorrow. Weak because it's going to actually come through the coastal bend and then turn around as a warm front. So it's classified as a weak front. A few showers near the boundary here tomorrow. So tomorrow's definitely a downer compared to today. And then that Arctic blast arrives on Sunday. This has been delayed by about 36 hours from Monday, but that front is coming and it's serious and it definitely means business. It's a good thing it's not January, or that front would be producing temperatures in the 20s here, but that will not be the case. In fact, we won't even freeze. Very mild right now across the region, unseasonably so, 60s and 70s. Falfurrias still has 80 degrees. Dew point temperatures are in the upper 60s, so we're looking at more fog tonight with an injection of more low-level moisture coming in on the heels of these east to southeasterly winds. We'll drop into the upper 60s around 8 o'clock tonight and hold there through midnight. Again, the winds will lay, and that will allow the fog to continue to form. Low temperatures tonight across the coastal bend look like this, and we're talking about mid-60s just about everywhere in the region. Low 60s near the cooler water. We did have the sunshine today, as you can see right here, and then the clouds came back. Western areas of the coastal bend didn't see as much sun. Here is the frontal system up to the north. Dallas is only 39 degrees right now, and that front will angle into the coastal bend, and that'll induce a few little light showers here during the day tomorrow. And as it pushes into the area, it will stall to our south, and then it'll wait for this frontal system to move across the Rockies, and then the cold air up in northern Canada will dump in behind it. So right now, there's the 39 in Dallas, 19 in Wichita Falls, 9 up in Pierre, South Dakota, and Bismarck. So that's the cold air that's coming initially tomorrow. And again, we're just going to get a glancing blow of it. But the real cold air is locked up here northwest of Hudson Bay. That's going to swing south. And by the time we get to Saturday at 2 o'clock, we're going to be near 80 degrees. Well, it'll be in the 30s in the Panhandle and 0 in Omaha, Nebraska. And again, this is as cold as it was back in January in the northern plains, where they'll be at about 28 below Sunday afternoon. We'll still be in the 70s. That's the delay of the front. And then it's going to push on through. And Monday afternoon, we will not get out of the 40s here in the coastal bend. So here's that front coming tomorrow. And then it will push into the region with a few light showers, turn around as a warm front, and it'll warm back up here then on Friday. So the winds look like this, and again, you can see the front right here in the morning. That pushes through the coastal bend. So tomorrow is going to be a cooler day, and I think optimistic at seeing 72 degrees here in Corpus Christi. That'll be early on. We'll spend much of the afternoon in the 60s, then 57 and 78 Friday. So it warms back up Friday. Saturday, 80. The front comes in, but 77 ahead of it Sunday. We plummet to 44, and we don't get out of the 40s on Monday. We don't get out of the 40s on Tuesday after being in the upper 30s on Tuesday morning. It's going to be absolutely miserable here Monday and Tuesday of next week. Lee?
Well, some good